What up, guys? It's Woodman34X coming at you with a video of how to load a car onto the back of a flatbed. On this flatbed, boys. Oh yeah, it's Tyler Workman taking a drink. You know him from How to Become a Battery. You know him from How to Become a Battery. AAA battery technician. This is Tyler Workman. He works for EA Towing. So he's going to show us the different equipment that he uses. Today he's going to teach you how to load a car, boom, my Kia, boom, onto a flatbed. All right, boys, here's Tyler Workman. He's going to give us a little total breakdown. Oh yeah, you see that? You move the body back. Oh, and look at, while he's moving the body tilt, look at, doing the tilt while also standing out the body backwards this way. You see that? Doing a double hander. Boom, look at that. Precision. Doing both at the same time because he knows his angles. Look at this, boys. Look at this. It's beautiful. Tyler Workman in his finest. I gave him the car keys. He's mobbing with a freaking Coke Zero Vanilla. That's how true tow truckers drink. Carbonated drinks. So yeah, some of y'all might be wondering, hey, you gotta unlock the door, am I right? Friggin' beefed it, guys. I wish beefed it. Guys, look, we're learning how to move. We're learning how to load. Look at, guys, this is hilarious. He's trying to use my auto button even though it's just a key. A little old turnkey type of car. It's Kia Rio 12.
Yeah, you gotta save that money.
Yeah, exactly. Look at, guys, he's so big. What are they called, Tyler?
Oxyacetylene tanks. Is this a golf cart? Or
is this a golf cart? Exactly. Now he's going to start the vehicle. Sadly, there's an issue with our radiator, so we're having to get it moved. Oh yeah, guys, listen to this exhaust. Rev it for us. Oh yeah, you guys hear that? So yeah, you want to make sure you back up your car correctly while holding your vanilla drink. You want to make sure you line it up just right. And guys, a lot of the guys on my YouTube channel for the How to Become a Battery AAA Technician have been wondering how to do it. All right, guys, look at this right here. Line it up. Oh, excuse me, sir. Would you like for me to put my car?
It's like moving toward the middle of the bed.
All right, guys, look at it. I got to move the hooks towards the middle of the bed right here. Boom, right here. I got to walk down.
Nice
make sure.
Crack.
Oh, yeah. See, hear that, guys? Nice crack, eh? Now, look, he's lining it up, Let's go. Yeah. Look at that. Now, he put the car in park while pulling the e-brake. Boom. See that precision?
Oh, yeah.
Look at that. And he's rolling up the window. Because, you know, when you're tow trucking, you don't want your client to be upset with having their car all wet. Boom, and watch how he walks down safely while holding the key like he's holding a cigarette. Boom. Now, what's the next step, Tyler?
Gotta strap it on the truck.
Gotta strap it on the truck. So yeah, guys, there's a couple of new ways to tie down. One way is to simply not tie down your car and just drive off with it, right? I guess that's smart, right?
That's really makes it easy to get it off.
Yeah, it's just like EA or Easy Towing, right? Or EA Towing. I just speak their geef. So yeah, guys, you want to make sure you properly wrap the strap around the tire. Don't be throwing a hook on the rim. That's kind of spief. That's what spiefers do. Oh yeah, guys, look at Tyler Workman. Working. Look, whoop, whoop. Look at that. Proper strap down. Look at that. And how tight do you want to make sure you have it, Tyler?
Tight as you can get it.
Tight as you can get it.
You want to make sure you properly handle your extra strap here.
Extra strap. So look at, so you line it up just to do a couple more tugs in it. Boom, look at that. Now that makes it while you're driving and looking.
Take the access.
Take the access.
Fold it in through there.
Fold it in through there. Look at that loopage.
Then close it down.
Then you close it down. Boom.
Prevents frays.
Prevents frays.
Yeah,
It prevents. Oh yeah. Look at that.
The bed up.
So yeah, now you move the bed up so you get to the. Hear that? Look at. That's efficiency. That's thinking about the longevity. What does that prevent? That prevents your back hurt.
Having to crawl in the house at the end of the day.
Exactly. Because you want to protect this baby right here, right? The back?
Yep.
Not his butt. Guys, you are truly getting the A1 towing education right here. Boom. Doing the rear strap. Look at guys, he already has his straps prepared with, I don't know, what do you call this right here?
That's a I think they call it a bone.
It's a bone. Look at that. Because some of them tow truck drivers be taking the freaking... I'll show you guys. Look at, this is how some tow truck drivers be doing their tows. They take this hook and they just put it on the rim like this. Don't speef the geef. Use a strap. A lot of my boys on my on the Facebook group of the tow truck will be really proud of this tie down. Look at that precision. Look at this strappage. Boom. Now you push down on the body tilt and also the body forward, which moves the bed towards the front end of the truck. Boom, properly locked in.
That's it.
Boom, that's how you do it, boys. Don't speak. Woodman 34X and Tyler Workman. And this is how to load a car onto a flatbed. Don't speak the geef, boys.